A 46-year-old father says he has been left with a damaged nose and teeth after being slammed face first into the ground by transit guards. Today, prosecutors withdrew a charge against him after security footage of the incident was played in the court.
James Haggerstrom can't believe that a day at the footy with his son ended like this. Handcuffed, pepper spray in his eyes, blood pouring from his nose and charged with obstructing officers. It started when his 22-year-old son Shane retrieved his footy from train tracks at Subiaco. 6 minutes later, and with no evidence they'd been violent, the pair are reeling from the effects of the spray. Then this. In security footage obtained by 9 News, guards are seen pushing Mr Haggerstrom face first towards the platform.
What is the Big Brother Society? The Big Brother Society is a society where everybody is being watched. There are CCTV in every corner of the street. Information about what you are watching on the internet and what you are buying is stored in some data. Big corporations can buy the information of what you're searching on, for example, Google, or what you are posting on Facebook to make or send commercials right to you and only you. CCTV is a good example in London, where there are cameras everywhere, and they're used to solve crimes, but sometimes it's not solving anything.
What is the arguments before the Big Brother system? The argument you often hearing with the non-worried is that so long that we are acting okay, that we are not doing anything criminal, then why shouldn't it? Then why should it be forbidden to use the Big Brother? Isn't it only good to catch the criminals with the system? If you, when you just hear it, it can seem like it is a very good argument. And if you decided to that the surveillance isn't problematic in any ways, it's almost impossible to argument against. Now, the big question is all this surveillance worth all the money? Surveillance cost, and the money, why can't you use it to create city environments with with a lot of lights and life, which prevents crime, and then get the youth to take go to school, to go to normal classes, and have a lot and go into the society with a school. If I go a place where there's a lot of surveillance, I don't think it's the safest place in the world. And then we are on our way into the more principal, long seen consequences as a totally controlled society. We take it on us. Well, it's maybe the whole idea, but it creates a society where the citizen will have will do it different and go outside, and this society will be just the same and the same and the same. All things will be the same, and no one will ever attempt to do something different. So we can say that surveillance or the Big Brother system maybe not is such a good idea. In some way it maybe will be, and some way it doesn't. Thank you from here.
Where everybody is being surveyed. Go again. There are
no, don't talk about it when God. There's massive surveillance. I don't think that it's